You tired of the plastic containers that get all stained and don't smell very good and are just a big nuisance, don't even seem to last very long? You got to try these glass containers, which I was super lucky to be gifted by the brand. So thank you to the brand for gifting these to me. These are the ones that I reach for every day now. So many things I love about them. First one being their glass. They are easily stackable, so they don't take up a lot of space. Fun, colored lids that are easy. They seal and easily snap on, like so. You can easily see what is in each container. They're the perfect size. Each one is the 3-cup size, so they're perfect for leftovers, for meal prep. They are great for overnight oats or whatever you packing your lunch. And I love the fact that, yeah, glass is just easier for food. I don't have to worry about the harmful ingredients in plastic or the smell when I heat up my food. They just heat up food better. Everything about them is better. I love these glass containers. I am also going to say that they are oven, dishwasher, freezer, microwave safe. So one thing fits all. You're not going to want to put the lids in the microwave and oven, obviously. I don't think I need to say that, but they're just great. I absolutely love them. They are fun looking, super versatile. And like I said, so much better than plastic. You got to try them out. Thanks again to the brand.